It's our first wearable from Razer. So as you can see, I have it here on my wrist. And the idea is that we wanted to create a wearable that was open and for everybody. Typically, there's a lot of wearables on the market that are either like smartwatches or fitness trackers, and they do a very specific thing. Our wearable does both of these things. So as you can see, I've got notifications sent right to the band. You can see who's texting you and what exactly is the text message. I can cycle through and do fitness data, all the standard stuff that you get on other wearables that are currently out of the market. But I think the one really cool thing about our wearable that's different from a lot of our wearables out there is that it's an open source platform. So we just sent the SDK 2 days ago to all developers around the world who are also working with our band, and they're going to build all sorts of applications and integrations with currently existing mobile apps for iOS and Android. Yeah, and it's a really exciting time because we're going to see some really cool integrations and things that people can do with their favorite applications. So one of the examples I like to use is we're working with this developer who has a smart home app. So this tracks sleep data. So what happens is when you go to sleep and you wake up, it turns on the lights in your house. So that's one of the really cool things that, little things that we want to try to do that improve people's lives. So we've got this very cool feature in this device called band-to-band communication. Essentially what it is this device can talk to other Nabus in a vicinity, in a proximity. This is really useful for all sorts of reasons. So starting with the fact that no wearable right now on the market can actually talk to other wearables of the same type. So this has implications such that you could be walking on the street and you could set it to find people in the vicinity who share the similar interest in something. It buzzes to tell you this other person likes Tarantino movies. You can go over to that person and strike up a conversation. You can even be running on the streets or jogging, and you pass by another Nabu wearer. Information is exchanged. You can compare run data. So you see, oh, that guy's running that segment faster than me, so I got to push myself. That sort of thing. Similarly, if you want to find someone, you can do that. It's all about the application build out. So you can build an application that says find somebody in the area within a certain proximity, and they'll buzz you of that person's nearby state. So pairing the device to your phone is through Bluetooth Low Energy, but the band-to-band communication is a wireless proprietary network that we've kind of perpetuated.